and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this eye look. I really wanted to practice this sort of blown out look. I've tried it a few times and I can never get this nice edge, and today I think I finally cracked it, or at least I'm like really proud of it anyway. So if you would like to see how I did this, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start off with the purple shade, which is called Purple Rain, and I'm going to buff that all into my crease. Because I want it to be a more blown out look, I'm not rounding it here, but I'm just going to do the kind of the shape to blow it out, and then I'm going to use a buffing brush, a blending brush to actually create that shape properly. And then using another small brush, I'm going to take the orange in the shade, orange in the palette, which is called Heat Wave, and I'm going to pack that over the purple. Taking a little blender brush, I'm going to go in with the yellow shade in the palette, which is called Hello Sunshine. I'm going to go back in with that purple and start to buff out that edge, just where it meets the orange, because I want it to be nice and seamless, and there's a bit of a harsh line showing. So I just need to buff. And then when I get to this edge here, I'm actually going to slowly start to flick the purple out of it as well, because I don't want it to just sort of stop and then go into this, but I also don't want it to be harsh, so it's just a soft, like literally I've got no pressure on my brush, and we're slowly gonna just flick it out. Can you just see? Right, then to deepen up that, I'm going to go in with Decay Blackout on a little tiny pencil brush, and I'm just going to put it underneath the purple, just to deepen that shade, so that when I cut the crease it's very deep. With black it's really hard to correct it if you make a mistake, so don't go in with too much product. Slow and steady with this colour. And then back in and repeating my stages again. So I want to use the purple so that I can blend out the edge of that black, because like I say, the black is more to add depth and shadow, so that when I cut it, it looks like a real crease. But I also don't want to lose that purple colour too much. And blend out your oranges. And yellow. I'm just going to do a half cut. All I do is I plonk some on the start of my eye, and I just look up and roll my eyes around, and it just tells me where my cut should be. I'm not going to go into the inner corner like I normally do. I'm going to sort of straighten it at this edge. I'm going to go in with a pressed shadow. The one that I'm using is from Oh My Glitter, which is a UK indie brand. I've no idea what the shade's called, and I can't even remember the palette that it came out of. I just remember that I fell in love with this palette, so with this shade should I say, so that's what I want to use today. I'm going to go in with the purple. I'm going to go in with a black pencil in my waterline. I'm going to buff out that black with a Molly O'Brien M09 brush. Then brushing off that brush, I'm going to go in with the purple shade, and I'm going to buff it under that black. Sort of bringing it to meet the outer edge. I'm going to repeat all the steps, so I'm going to go in with the orange and then the yellow.
I'm gonna go in with the Ultra Highlighter in Glazed Donut. Glitter pigment that I'm going to go in with is this one. This is by Hidden Cosmetics and it's called Vegas Light, and it's really nice. It's not technically glitter, it's a shimmer, but she is so shimmery. Like, honestly, it's like a topper. I mean, I don't know if you can see that straight away. Now with this shade, I am going to put it slightly on the inner corner. On the inner bit of my eye, just over that blue, just sort of to blend them in together, like so. I'm gonna go do mascara, lashes and the rest of my face, and then I will be back with the final look. So guys, that's the finished look. What do you think? Love how it turned out. The lashes that I'm wearing are XO Beauty Foam Ink lashes in the style Illusion. They are like my favourite lash from the XO Beauty range, and I just think they were perfect for this look, and I'm like so proud of how this came out. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give it a massive thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to leave a comment of what you think, and yeah, speak to you soon. Bye guys!